This is BBC News here with a situation here with YouTube. All lot of reporters that claimed that they seen haters in their channels, and now YouTube I trying to find a way to remove these haters, and people keep on getting upset with the haters. This could let a spread of haters, and this is a dangerous situation. If this gets too far, this could lead to hating humans and animals. This could lead to the world end. The emergency alert system coming. This is BBC News signing off.
This is the emergency alert system has issued a YouTube alert. The haters has been spotted in different channels. Make sure there is no haters in your YouTube channel. If you see a hater in your YouTube channel, make sure to report immediately. Stay tuned to this station for this dangerous situation.
Well, this is bad, but at least I the gangster if the YouTubers, but I'm pretty sure if the other YouTubers have haters they are screwed. Wait, I have a comment on my private YouTube video. Wait. Oh gosh, if the haters, how did they get into my YouTube? I swear I have this thing private video and I part of not hater crew. Seriously, this is not supposed to happen. Well, I have to do this again. Alright, I commented back, said to get out of my channel. Wait, it not leaving. This isn't possible. They always leave my channel if I told them to. I have to report this now before it's too late. Oh my gosh, this is worse. Other YouTubers have gone a hating crime. I screwed. I better quit YouTube and join back in when this mess is over. This is way too powerful to my YouTube channel. I don't want my YouTube channel to die. Goodbye subscribers.
This is the emergency alert system has issued a YouTube alert. The haters situation is not going to good. All the haters have made YouTubers quit their channel. This is an extremely caution warning. This is the rules you need to follow. Number 1, do not let any haters in your YouTube channel. Second, do not make any videos anymore. Third, if your channel is about to die, make your end of the channel video and say goodbye. Stay tuned to this station for this dangerous situation.
This is really bad. I think we need to send a ban wave to YouTube, so we need to evacuate all YouTube channels. Sign out for 3 minutes until the ban wave is over. We don't want channels to die. Send this to the emergency alert system to this warning.
This is an evaluation warning to all channels on YouTube. A bad wave is occurring by the next 3 minutes. This is a serious warning and this should be taken seriously. Sign out of YouTube immediately. The bad wave will be over by under 3 minutes. Repeating, sign out immediately. This is all clear warning. The haters has been banned, but some of them have not been banned because they sign out and signed back, and YouTube has made a new setting to comments called ban user because YouTube don't want to do it. Also, they decide to make a ban setting to ban user. If you see a hater in your channel, use the ban setting immediately or the hater user will try to take down your channel. YouTube has only a ban forever setting only for emergency use. Stay tuned to this station for this dangerous situation.
Wait, there's been a report that the haters are not banned. How is this impossible? I banned forever haters and wait. Oh no, this is really bad. The haters are becoming to hate humans and now they are killing each other. Oh my god, this is horrible and the internet is running slow. This is the end of the world. Time to show this to the emergency alert system.
This is the emergency alert system has issued a global warning. This message was brought from YouTube saying that haters didn't get banned in the ban wave and people start to hate each other and kill each other. This was a virus that's called the hating virus and there are nothing we can do to stop this. Gather your pets and family for the final moments of our lives. There's nothing humanity can stop as the internet has run slow because of haters, and we will play this tone for the emergency alert system signing off for the final time.
We're on our way to Grampy's, always such good company. It's the only place to be. Where? Over at Grampy's house. Da-dee-dee-da-dee, it never is too late. Da-dee-dee-da-dee, he'll always wait. And when everybody's resting, he's always full of fat. Everybody's gonna be where?